boy Tay VQ. Y'all already know what today is. Today is headers day. Headers. Those headers are off a Nissan Titan. I have a very bad exhaust leak, and I'm trying to get those headers on my car. I gotta remove the motor mount, which is right there where that wrench is down there. You can somewhat see it. I'm gonna attempt to take them off. This is what I was riding on. It's a big boy.
Oh, it's pretty weird. Well, I mean,
Y'all niggas wanna do tight headers on your M45? Don't fucking do it. Bruh. So I got 12 bolts out. I got 4 more bolts to go on the driver's side to get the driver header out. Yeah, there's 3 bolts back there, and there's 1 bolt right above the AC compressor. This is fun. But for real, if you got a Y34 and you want to do these Titan headers, don't do it. Just get you a catback. Call it a day. My stock exhaust, I had a major exhaust leak. That's where it was coming from. We didn't cut it when we took it down. The cap was separated. Oh, that one was good, but this is where I was getting all the noise from. The flex part is damaged too on both sides. And this was the exhaust I was running on the M45. Straight pipe from the catback. Both OEM headers up. Yeah, boy, working hard, dog. I'm not gonna lie, taking headers off this car is a pain in the ass. Pain in the ass. Hey, hold up, you gotta tell the people, say, would you recommend doing this shit?
fuck no. I'd rather change headers on the CTSV and the fucking.
This is my motor mount. Bruh. You still on the holes in the headers. That's the passenger header.
Bro, just slide onto the fucking top, bro. That's all I really need.
Headers is on new mounts.
Yeah.
Do they want to do this?
Bro, if you're not bringing me 3,500, I'm not doing this shit. Oh, some real shit.
You don't want to do this shit.
That shit is not. It's really not worth it, bro.
No.
It's not.
No.
Like, bro, fuck no.
Not at all.
At all, bro. Alright, it's up there, you figure out the rest. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, so I'm just picking up my car after the welder was supposed to weld what he was supposed to weld. My car is dirty, I got all my tools in here. We can see what it's like. I got that little misfire going on, which I'm gonna fix. It's actually gonna go away while I'm driving the car. But god dang. Gas low, but I ain't tripping. It's quiet. So my fab guy, he did a great job. Car sounds amazing. Overall, he did a great job. The car sounds amazing. So you can hear the exhaust leak where I messed up at. Coming from the driver's side header. My fault. But the back sounds and looks good. 10 out of 10, recommend my boy Jaw Fab. I'm happy. I just gotta fix my fuck up. If you like this video, comment, like, subscribe. Share to your friends that probably got an M45, Q45 that want to do these headers. Tell them don't do it. Get a catback. So I'm about to be on my way to work soon, but as promised, a cold start. Look at them tips. The tip of my dick. That shit, hold on. All right, cold start. I had to put some oil on the oil burner real quick, but as promised, cold start. Why did I take the phone with me? Hold on. Don't be alarmed if it shoots some carbon out of it. Just got a haircut, so the price went up. Girl, if I thought you was sexy, you not. It's a P to fuck with me. I said it's a P to fuck with me. It's a P to fuck with me, bitch. I got a little rev video for y'all. Hopefully I don't get kicked out of Walmart parking lot. But even if I do, fuck them niggas anyways. Yeah, it's a P to fuck with me. But a video that I thought I was gonna get for y'all, I actually got messed up and went into time-lapse mode. So I'll make another one that work. I'm not gonna count. My car feels like a completely different car. Listen to this. Yeah. So I'm currently at work now, but I'm waiting on my coworkers to get here because they want to hear a sound clip of the car. So I couldn't get y'all a sound clip at Walmart because I put it in time-lapse mode. I'm gonna get y'all a sound clap whenever they come in. I said a sound clap, a sound clip. The fuck is a sound clap? The video that I was planning didn't work out the way that I planned it to. I was supposed to get my coworkers expressions, but I didn't get their expressions. So I am going to do an exhaust clip for y'all right now while I'm at the gas station. Also, it turns out that my exhaust leak wasn't an exhaust leak, it's actually a misfire. But I'll fix it when I fix it. Camera, there was a lot of blur, but I hope y'all enjoyed that sound clip. I enjoyed it. I think the car sounds good. 10 out of 10. Recommend Jaw Fab. If you can do headers yourself, I would recommend you doing it, but I'm just telling you right now, this header job is not for the weak. Just my luck. Guess what broke? I'm broke down in there. Middle of nowhere, basically. Oh, man. Not one car stopped and ass was all right. But it's all good. I'm gonna try to finesse this back on there and try to at least make it home. Now we gotta wait for the tow truck. Somebody really just tried to charge me $300 and I hung up in their face. I got a better deal, but I gotta wait a little bit. Damn. I honestly never thought I would see today. Never thought I would see today. Shit happens though. We bounce back. She's home. She's home. I know my neighbor's mad. Shout out to Brad though. He the real MVP.